Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss physical variable form of state space. Now physical variable form is generally asked for a system. System is given in form of circuit, electrical network or a mechanical system. Now it will be as follows. If it is an electrical network, first we discuss a electrical network. About a electrical network, the step will be we need to take capacitor voltage or inductor and inductor current as the state variables. What we have to choose? We have to choose capacitor voltage as a state variable and inductor current as a state variable. Okay. And then what we have to do? We have to write the KVL and KCL equation, and then we have to arrange these equation in form of state equation. State equation means x dot is equal to ax plus bu. In this form, if we do this if we perform these three steps, we will get the state variable form of a given circuit, and it will be called physical variable form. So let us try an example. This is a simple RLC circuit. Now it is an electrical network having an inductor and capacitor. So what I have told you, that we will take the inductor current, the energy storing element. The energy storing element are inductor and capacitor. So the quantities associated with them, that is, one is inductor current and capacitor voltage, they will be act as our state variables, right? So here, as it is a series circuit, naturally the same current will flow through each of the elements. So I am taking that inductor current is basically the circuit current. So I will be my state variable and another state variable will be my VC. So I need to write these I and VC in the form of x dot equal to AX plus BU. So how many variables are there in my equation? I have two variables. What are they? So x1 will be my I and x2 will be my VC. Okay. So what type of equation it will be? As there will be two variables, we know as per that I have to write the x dot. That means my equations will be in form, state equation will be in form I di by dt. This will be the first one, and the second one will be dVC by dt. This will be my x dot, and I have to calculate the A matrix, which will be, as two variables are there, it will be a 2 cross 2 matrix, and the values of x will be, x1 will be I and x2 will be VC, and there will be a B matrix, a 2 cross 1 matrix, 2 row 1 column, and there will be the voltage. So this will be my state equation. Now for that, what we have to do? We have to get the equations associated with this system. So how we will write the equation? We know that our voltage V is VR plus VL plus VC. So this VC will be my state variable. VR equal to, I can write IR. I can write it as IR, and I can write this VL is L di by dt plus VC. Okay. So this is my first equation. Now I am going to get I am going to arrange this equation to fit in this form. Okay, so let's try to arrange it. I will take this in the left hand side. So it will be di by dt. This will be equal to R by L into I, right? If it is here, so this will be minus, this will be minus, okay, and then the value of VC, if we take the value of VC, it will be minus VC by L, okay. So and it will be plus V by L. So I have arranged it in this form. So I have arranged it in this form. So this will be the required equation. So if I want to get the first line, if I want to fill these matrices, what it will be? The first element is my I. So this will be minus R by L. And then this is VC. So this will be minus 1 by L. And this row should have a 1 by L. Okay. Now I need to fill the second row. How I will fill the second row? So what can be how can I get this type of expression? Now I know that current is flowing through this circuit. Now what is current? We know that expression, what are the relations of a capacitor can be? VC, how can we get VC? VC equal to capacitance C is equal to Q by VC. So that means if I want to write C is equal to Q by Vc, where Q is the charge across capacitor. Now if I take the derivative, in both sides, I can get C dVc by dt equal to dQ by dt. Now this rate of change of charge is giving me my current. So this current is my current flowing through the capacitor, that is I in this circuit. So I can write I is equal to C dVc by dt. Okay. So what I am getting? I am getting that I got the second equation. What is the second equation? C dVc by dt equal to I. That means if I take it in this form, C dVc by dt. So if I take the C in the right hand side, it will be 1 by C into I. So this expression I can fit in the second row because I got dVc by dt, which is required. Okay, so this is the equation is required to fill in the blanks. So what will be that gap? It will be, as it is I, so the value will be 1 by C. So it is 1 by C. Is there any factor associated with Vc in the second in this equation? This is my equation 2. This is my equation 3. There is nothing associated with Vc, so it will be 0. Is there anything associated with V? No, so it will be 0. So in this way we get our state equation. In this way we get the state model of this particular electrical diagram. Hope you all understand. We will do more examples in the coming video. Thank you.